So today we're exploring Ksamil, known to home some of the best beaches in the whole of Albania, with bright blue water, perfect for swimming and snorkeling.
We'll be showing you all the best beaches this coastal town has to offer and be showing you why you should be visiting the Albanian Riviera instead of some of the more popular beach destinations in Europe. So we've just come out to some of the beaches in Ksamil. We'll leave the name of the beach below, but it is just perfect white sand, bright blue waters. Like, I honestly can't believe the colour of this water. We actually got here at 6 AM and there are already people here. It's about 8 o'clock now and it is starting to fill up. Most of the beaches you have to rent sunbeds, so we kind of snuck onto this one before it had actually opened, so don't tell anyone that. But yeah, it's really, really beautiful. And now we're going to head off to some of the other beaches nearby.
So we've just arrived at Poza Bay. I think I'm saying that right.
It's also known as Seagulls Bay, so
yeah.
put that into your map.
Yeah, but it looks just as beautiful as the others. It looks a lot quieter. Basically every beach has sun loungers and like umbrellas, and you just try and find a space between if you don't want to pay for one. That's what we're going to try to do. Hopefully it'll work.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, but it looks stunning, so we're looking forward to relaxing a bit.
We're defeated. So we literally got to the beach. There's nowhere at all that you could possibly put a towel. So we've kind of had to go for sunbeds, which is a luxury for us. We never go for sunbeds. So we're going to make the most of it. We'll spend the rest of the day at this beach, I think, because of that. It costs 1,000 lek per sunbed, so 2,000 in total. So they're not cheap, but it is stunning. So I'm not too mad about having to spend the day here. We'll just have to make the most of it.
So basically people are walking around this beach with different things like cherries and stuff, and couldn't help but get a massive donut. Have to. It's not a beach without having some kind of big food, so gone for a big donut. Still warm.
Does anyone else go to the beach and just look around at everyone and see all the people with sunburn and think, oh, I'm glad I'm not one of them?
It's not my fault, I put sun cream on, it's sweated off. I've laid on a wet towel, turns out it isn't a good idea.
Is that better?
This is how I'm going to be sunbathing from now on. It's safe. So Megan was mocking me about burning. Karma. So we've just had one big gust of wind and all the beach umbrellas have fallen down. One literally, our one here, landed about 2 centimetres from my head. So quite lucky there. The one next to us fell on Megan nearly.
I thought it.
Yeah. But it was literally just one gust of wind, so shows how quickly the weather can change here. Luckily I think everyone's fine. But all the umbrellas have suddenly gone down now. I feel like we might be going soon. But it's been a really nice day so far. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, definitely.
So So we've just come out for dinner, basically at the restaurant that overlooks the beach we've been spending all day at, Seagull Beach, and it also has a view of the beach we watched sunset from last night. So we saw it last night while watching sunset and it looked really nice, so we thought we'd give it a go. But it's been a really nice day. We've basically just spent most of the day at one beach because it was so nice and too hot to go anywhere else. But
And spent too much on sunbeds.
yeah. Bit too much on sunbed, so we had to kind of like stay to prove a point. But we've had a really nice day with Ksamil. Basically, if you want like a popular like beach with all the amenities and like bars and restaurant stuff, go to the main town. But if you want a bit of a quieter beach, which is more like secluded, then come just outside Ksamil. But both are very nice, but they get busy very quickly, so my advice would be head out very early in the morning, otherwise you might not get a space, but would definitely recommend visiting if you're here. Hi guys, so we've just headed out for sunset. So we've come to a spot that's about 5 minutes away from our guest house, and we're actually watching sunset on top of a nuclear bunker, which is quite a unique thing to say. But today's been such an amazing day, nice and relaxing and change of pace compared to everything else we've done this trip so far. But tomorrow we'll be exploring a bit more of Ksamil before heading to another spot along the Albanian Riviera, which is rumoured to be just as beautiful as Ksamil, if not more. So make sure you watch the next vlog to see where we go. So see you tomorrow.